Hello everyone, my name is Aanchal Gautam from Acropolis Institute of Technology and Research, and the topic for today's presentation is display devices and DDA in computer graphics. So let's begin. The overview for this presentation is first introduction to display devices, types of display devices which include CRT, LCD, LED, OLED and plasma. Now again introduction to DDA algorithm. Next is working and applications of DDA, and last summary and references. The objective of this presentation is to understand the basic working of common display devices, to study the DDA algorithm for the line generation in computer graphics, and to analyze the advantages and application of these technologies. Let's start with introduction to display devices. Display devices are the output devices that visually convey text, graphics and video information. It is used in monitors, television, projectors, etc. Different types of display technologies are used based on the requirements. The first display devices we will study is the cathode ray tube. It is the oldest display technique used in the monitors and TVs. It uses electron beams to strike phosphor-coated screen. It produces images by scanning the lines horizontally. Now, the bulky and power consuming, but it offers good color rendering. You can see the diagram of the cathode ray tube as well. Now, LCD, also known as the liquid crystal display. It uses liquid crystals and a backlight to display images. It is slim, lightweight and energy efficient. It is most common in modern monitors, laptops and TVs. It has better clarity and the less eye strain than cathode ray tubes. Next one is the light emitting diode LED. The type of LCD display with LED backlighting. It has more brighter display and less power consumptions. It has also the longer lifespans than LCDs. It supports thinner and more compact designs. Now, organic LED, also known as the OLED displays. It uses organic compounds that emit light when electric current is applied. It doesn't require a backlight. It offers deeper black and better contrast. It is basically used in smartphones, high-end TVs and VR devices. Now we will discuss about the DDA algorithm. DDA algorithm is stand for Digital Differential Analyzer. It is a line drawing algorithm which is used in computer graphics. It is worked by calculating the intermediate positions to draw a straight line. Based on the equation of a straight line, y equals to mx plus c, this algorithm works upon. Now, the working of DDA algorithm. The first step we have to do is identify the two endpoints x0, y0 and x1, y1 for drawing a straight line. Now next we have to calculate the difference, or known as delta x and delta y, which is the difference between the two endpoints like x1 minus x0 and y1 minus y0. Next is determine the steps. The steps will be determined on the basis of the maximum of delta x and delta y. The fourth step is calculate the increment in each x and y. The x increment will be as shown in the formula, which is delta x upon steps, and y increment will be delta y upon steps. We have to plot each point using this rounded x and y values. The DDA algorithm pseudocode is written here in the screen, in which the first step includes the D2 endpoints which will be given in the question x0 y0 and x1 y1. The next step, also known step 2, we have to calculate the difference dx and dy. Third steps, we have to identify the maximum value between the dx and dy. Fourth value is counting the increment of x as well as the increment of y based on the given formula. Fifth step is we have to initialize x equals to x0, y equals to y0, and for each repeated steps we have to plot the rounded value of x and y and calculate the next points x and y. Now we have discussed about the display devices and the DD algorithm. Now let's study about the applications of these two. Display devices. The most common applications of the display devices are the monitors, televisions, projectors, and smartphones. Applications of DDL algorithm is basically used in computer graphics software for drawing a straight line. It is also applied in engineering, CAD tools, games, and visual stimulations. Now, the summary of this presentation includes the display devices forms the core of visual output in computer systems. CRT stands for cathode ray tube, LCD liquid crystal display, LED light emitting diode, and organic LED and plasma offers varying performance. The line drawing algorithm, also the DDA algorithm, helps to draw accurate straight lines pixel by pixels. It is essential in basic computer graphics rendering. The references for this topic are the computer graphics by Donald Hunt and Mr. Pauline Baker, and I also include the references from the website JavaTPoint and tutorialspoint.com. Acknowledgement. Special thanks to our faculty for their guidance, appreciation for the resource and reference material used, and gratitude to all the peers for the collaboration and support. Thank you.